So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find the service that you're having a problem with. Let's say I'm having a problem with, for example, Credential Manager. I'm going to double click on it. Now I'm going to click on stop, which will now make the service status stopped. I'm now going to set the startup type to manual. And then click on OK. And then once you do that, you're going to double click on that same service again. Now we're going to click on the log on tab. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on this account. Now you're going to click on browse. And now you're going to type in your username. If you don't know it, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you're going to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. And then click on users. It's now going to be showing your username right here. My one is Speedy Tutorials. I'm going to type that in here. Speedy Tutorials. And then click on check names. And then click on OK. It's now going to add it right here. Now you're going to type in your password for the account. In my case, I have no password on this account, so I'm just going to delete this. But in your case, type in your password. And if you also have no password like me, then you could just leave this blank and then click on OK. And then click on OK again. And now the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.